Hey, what's up, Eastern North Carolina? It's your pal Jason here at Moore Buick GMC. We're taking a look at this 2018 Audi Q7 with 76,000 miles on it. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, guys, I got to show you one of my favorite features about this Audi. The rising screen. I love that thing. And this display is interfaced through here. So you want to bring up your map, choose map. There's the map. You want to do your Bluetooth, choose media. We've got 4-zone climate control for the front and the back passengers, as well as heated and cooled leather seats. And we do have third row seating, but this particular vehicle comes with some extras. You have automatic seat controls. All right, now that we got the seats down, you can see this comes with a WeatherTech protection in the back. Also, cover for your cargo. And your passengers in the rear, along with having their own 12-volt power supplies, have heated seats and their own temperature controls. As always, guys, thanks so much for taking a walk around with me. This is a 2018 Audi Q7, 76,000 miles. If you're interested in it or any of our other vehicles, please visit us here in beautiful Jacksonville, North Carolina at Moore Buick GMC. Don't forget to check us out on the web at moorebuick.com.